Hi, it's me, John, from johnfromhome.com. Today I want to talk about Got Backup and SendShark, which is two income streams connected to the super affiliate funnel. And Got Backups is a 6 terabyte. I've signed up for a 6 terabyte online secure storage where I back up all my devices and all my data. I can connect 6 users to my account, and it generates me a monthly residual income which grow month on month on month. SendShark is another directly connected service to the Got Backup, but separate, so you can also earn a residual income from that. So SendShark is my automail responder, which I use for the super affiliate funnel. Another service, just want to highlight this one, is My Lead Gen Secret. It generates me 100 leads per day, and the same applies with the affiliates and the residual income, monthly residual income, which also builds month on month on month. So with the super affiliate funnel and the 7 income streams that you can possibly earn from, it makes working from home easy and reaching your goals a lot quicker. So if you want to know how I'm doing it, just hit the link at my bio or just say hi in my comments, and don't forget to follow and subscribe.